The Bayon Temple, located at the center of Angkor Thom, unites the outlook on the universe of ancient India and the tradition of Khmer. The temple was constructed around the end of the 12th century to bring relief to the crisis in the Angkor era. It is well known for the appearance of, for example, calm smiling faces on towers and double corridors carved in beautiful, interesting relief. At the behest of the Cambodian government, preservation and restoration work at the Bayon Temple was begun by the Japanese government team for Safeguarding Angkor, JSA. The Ikeuchi laboratory at the University of Tokyo has been conducting the digital archiving project supported by Japan Science and Technology Agency, JST. So far, several cultural heritage objects such as the Kamakura Great Buddha, the Nara Great Buddha, and the Asuka Great Buddha have been archived. The appearance of the Nara Great Buddha at the time of construction was reproduced by using a computer simulation technique based on digital information of the existing Nara Great Buddha and records from ancient documents. In cooperation with JSA, the Ikeuchi laboratory started the digital Bayon archival project using the techniques developed in the JST project. In February 2003, we digitized the reliefs carved on the north wall of the inside corridor, some of the faces carved on the towers, and chiefly north towers. For measuring the reliefs, we used a range sensor that measures the shape of the subject. We took approximately 720 measurements of the north wall. The shape and the depth of reliefs can be digitized and preserved with a range sensor. Therefore, digitized information is expected to be guidelines for restoration work. We can reproduce a realistic computer graphic with photographs captured by a digital camera. In the measurement work of the faces in the towers, we used a laser range sensor that is able to measure up to 100 meters in distance. We selected typical faces and then measured them from 4 to 10 times per face. A total of 230 measurements were performed on all the towers in Bayon. In the Bayon Temple, there are 173 faces at the current state. These were classified into 3 groups, Deva, Devatar, and Ashra, according to the results of the JSA research. As one can see, the face and the tower was digitized accurately. The Bayon Temple has 51 towers with double corridors and triple terraces. We chiefly measured the north towers in February 2003, and we will continue to measure repeatedly in the future. For future activities, we plan to measure the reliefs carved on the outside corridor, all faces on the towers and constructing a face library, and the detailed geometry of the entire Bayon Temple.